Hello, friends. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Nelson, and I welcome you back to my channel, Nelly Max Concept. Today, I have a lesson 2 on the topic order of arithmetic operations, BODMAS. So, we're going to be looking at the second lesson on this topic. My first lesson on this topic, BODMAS, is actually interesting, very, very interesting. You can't miss it. So I would advise you go and see the video on this channel. Okay. So today I will be solving more questions on BODMAS with you guys. I discovered that in the first lesson on this topic, we solved few questions, and I believe if we solve much more questions today, it will aid your understanding of the topic. So let's move on. All right, as you learned in my first lesson, that in BODMAS we normally take care of the bracket first, followed by others, which includes square roots, or let's say roots in general, and powers. Then followed by division or multiplication from left to right. Please pay attention here. Division or multiplication from left to right. What that means is this: if you have division operator coming before multiplication operator, so we should perform division operation first, okay, before the multiplication. Okay, if it is the other way around, if you have a multiplication operator coming before a division operator, then we should perform the multiplication operation first before the division operation. Examples will convince you much more. The same thing happens with addition or subtraction. That is the last one. Okay, so addition or subtraction operation should be performed from left to right. Okay, from left to right. All right, so it means if addition operator comes before subtraction operator, then the addition operation should be performed first, okay, then followed by the subtraction operation. Okay, it's just that simple. All right, let's look at the first example. Example 1. Evaluate 9 times 3 divided by 12 minus 9 in bracket. Let's look at the solution. Now, as you can see, we have a bracket here, all right? So it means what we have inside the bracket should be taken care of first of all, okay? So 12 minus 9 will give us 3, okay? Bracket first, according to BODMAS, all right? Now we have multiplication and division operators. Which do we give priority? Which of the operators do we perform first? Okay, as you can see, multiplication comes before division. So we are going to perform the multiplication operation. Then finally, we perform the division operation. I think it is simple, okay? All right. So as you can see, look at the arrow telling us to perform the multiplication operation first of all. And 9 times 3 gives us 27. Then we'll have 27 divided by 3. And that gives us 9. Very, very simple. Okay. Okay, let's look at the second example. Example 2 says evaluate 6 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 times 2. I believe with your eyes you can solve this and get an answer. Alright, but you have to be very, very careful so that you wouldn't make a mistake. Because as I said in my first video on this topic, students easily make mistakes on this topic because it could appear simple in the eyes, but if one is not careful enough, he will make a mistake. So let's look at the solution. We have 6 plus 4 divided by 2 minus 3 times 2. Alright? So, which of the operations do we perform first? Is it division or multiplication? Okay? So, we are going to perform the operations from left to right. So, as you can see, in BODMAS, addition and subtraction come last. So we are going to perform division operation first, okay, before multiplication operation. Why? Division operator comes before this multiplication operator, and we are following it from left to right. Okay, so we'll have this arrow, okay? So we are going to have 4 divided by 2, we'll get an answer. Then we'll be left with what? 3 times 2, okay? And that will give us 6. Is that clear? So we're going to have 6 plus 2 minus 6. Alright, so the next thing is to perform addition operation, because this addition operator actually comes before the minus operator. So we perform the operation from left to right. Okay? So 6 plus 2 gives us 8. 8 minus 6 gives us 2. That's the answer. Let's look at the third example for today. Example 3. Evaluate 24 divided by 3 times 5 minus 2 times 3 squared. Times 3 squared. Let's look at the solution. 24 divided by 3 times 5 minus 2 times 3 squared. So, as you know, in BODMAS, the O stands for orders, okay, which include roots or powers. And since there are no brackets here, so the first operation should be the powers, okay, should be this power rather, should be 3 squared. So the 3 squared should be taken care of first before other operations follow. Alright, so 3 squared gives us 9. Is that clear? 3 squared gives us what? 9. Then we have 24 divided by 3 times 5 minus 2 times 9 left. So we have division coming before multiplication. So we are going to perform division operation. Okay? So 24 divided by 3 gives us 8. Is that clear? Then 8 times 5 minus 2 times 9. So now we have 2 multiplication operations here. So we're going to perform the 2 simultaneously. Okay? So we have 8 times 5, okay, to give us 40. Then minus 2 times 9 will give us what? 18. So 40 minus 2 times 9 actually gives us minus 18, okay? Alright. So 40 minus 18 leaves us with what? 22. Alright? So it's very, very simple. Okay? So you have to be very, very careful. If you're not careful enough, you may end up getting a result different from 22. And that is not the correct answer. Alright, so always be careful. Pay attention to the rule of the game. Alright? Okay, let's look at the fourth example for today. Example 4. Evaluate 3 cubed divided by 3 plus 2 plus 4 all in bracket raised to the power of 2 divided by 9 times 3. Okay, alright, it's a long one. We're going to solve it. Alright, it's a bit long, but we can solve it. It's not so difficult. Alright, let's look at the solution. So, which of the operations do we perform first? Okay, as you can see, we have brackets there. So, this arrow or this circle tells us that the expressions inside the bracket should be taken care of first. Alright, so we have 2 plus 4, which gives us 6, and we have power of 2. So we have 3 cubed divided by 3 plus 6 squared divided by 9 times 3 left. Alright, now we need to take care of 3 cubed and 6 squared simultaneously. Okay, that is the rule of the game. So we are going to have 27 divided by 3 plus 36 divided by 9 times 3. You know, 3 cubed means 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, that's 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, then 9 times 3 gives us what? 27. Then divided by 3 plus 6 squared is what? 36 divided by 9 times 3. So we have division, addition, division, multiplication left. So which do we apply first? You already know. So it's what? Division operation. So 27 divided by 3 gives us what? 9. And 36 divided by 9 gives us what? 4. So we bring down times what? 3. Okay, alright. So that is just it. Then we are bringing down this plus 4, because that is the result we get when 36 is divided by 9. Okay, so we have 9 plus 4 times 3. Okay, a quick question. Are you going to add 9 and 4, then multiply by 3? If that is what you want to do, please don't do it. You will be wrong. Okay, so we have to take care of what? The multiplication operator. So we're going to multiply 4 by what? 3. Okay, and that gives us 12. So we have 9 plus 12 equals to 21, and that's the answer, 21. Okay, very simple. So I believe at this juncture, if any question is thrown to you on BODMAS, I believe you can do it very well. Yes, I'm so sure. I have one more lesson on this topic, but it is going to be a kind of advanced. Okay, I know you can't wait to see that video. Yes, as usual, I have check yourself for you. Okay, check yourself, just a way of testing your understanding, okay, of a particular concept. So I have 2 questions for you. Kindly solve these questions, please. Try and solve the questions and drop your answers in the comment section, please. Alright, thank you so much. I will see you in the next lesson. Don't forget, it is going to be order of arithmetic operations, BODMAS, in bracket advanced. Okay, alright. Thank you so much once again for listening, and I want you to support us, okay, by subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing our content. Thank you so much. See you.